In order to bring to life the world's most pointless game,
Dude, where's my chicken?
we set up a farm with 500 real chickens. We then selected the 12 best birds for players to follow online and gave them custom-made jackets equipped with radio frequency identification tags. Using the multiple live cameras, players could watch their chickens 24 hours a day, and thanks to the RFID tags, receive live Facebook updates such as "Your chicken is on the bar table" or "Your chicken has gone for a swim," to name a few. Players could also vote on pointless props to be put on the farm daily. Then, when their chickens laid eggs, we transformed their eggs into paintballs using the Pointless box and sent players a link via Facebook, taking them back to our website, where they could shoot their paintballs at white t-shirts in real time using, of course, the Pointless cannon. Pointless? Definitely. But also a lot of fun.